Hey, it's Niamh with a quick announcement letting you know about a very special video series that I'm going to be sharing with you next week that you're going to want to check out. Now, I hinted at this in my last video, but this is the official announcement. You see, people are always asking me about challenges, and in particular, my unique approach to challenges. Either they've been through one of my challenges and had a really fun and impactful experience and wanted to create a similar kind of experience for their audience, or they have watched me grow my business exponentially over the last 2 years, almost exclusively through challenges, and they want to have that effect in their business. Regardless of why you want to learn about challenges, this video series is going to help you out. I'm calling it How to Grow Your Business Exponentially with Challenges in 2018. It's going to be 4 videos that are about 6 to 8 minutes in length. I want to get you the information, get you in, get you out, and get you creating your challenges. So it's going to be a ton of fun, and I'm really creating this to help address those questions people ask me, and as a celebration of the fact that I'm opening my full Challenges with Impact course at the end of this year. So if you're interested, at the end of this year, end of this month. So if you're interested in challenges, this video series is going to give you a really good idea of how I approach challenges and how you can use them to effectively grow your business this year. So this is going to be taking place on my Facebook fan page, but if you would like to get a email reminder every day of these special videos as they come out, you can go ahead and opt in to receive emails for that. So there should be a link around this video to allow you to do that. So lots of love from me. I'm really looking forward to teaching you how to grow your business exponentially with challenges in 2018. I will see you on Monday. Bye.